Hi guys, or peace, love, and light to all my existing viewers. Um, I am now a TripleTen ambassador. Okay, so I'll be taking you along my journey while I go through my software engineering boot camp. So let me tell you a little bit about myself for those who don't know me and are watching this for the first time. I'm a homeschooling mom of three with a background in education, holistic health, and fine arts. I don't believe that I'm necessarily changing my career path at all. And that's because I have many creative ambitions. Some of them include coding, virtual reality, and tech. And I also have aspirations to become a philanthropist. One day that's my dream. We got our dreams. You know what I'm saying? I believe that becoming a software engineer will allow me to express myself creatively while also funding and pursuing all of my other passions. Um, so, the thing that pushed me into actually studying software engineering is being a survivor of domestic violence. Believe it or not, um, I was suddenly thrusted into single motherhood by my decision to leave my abuser. I needed to find a sustainable way to pursue the lifestyle that I wanted and all my dreams and goals while continuing to homeschool my children. This was going to, of course, require a higher pay bracket, right? Of course, I needed more money to support three children and all of these goals that I have. So as I was brainstorming on how I can do all of that, without sacrificing my children's home education or my need for creative expression, I saw an ad for TripleTen, and of course, I never looked back. Um, it seemed at the time to be the answer to all of my problems. It really did. I did contact several different software engineering program recruiters. And I ended up choosing TripleTen because of the personable experience and the connections that I made with the recruiters and the staff, like right away. They were willing to work with my financial situation. They came up with a payment plan that worked for me. And also that guarantee refund. If you don't find a job within 6 months, did not hurt. You hear me? That guarantee, right? That guarantee was everything. Um, So like my favorite part of the boot camp experience are the hands-on projects. I'm a hands-on learner, so not only do I find the projects as an effective way for me to learn, I also think it's a great way to build my portfolio. Um, and what I love most about it is that I'm able to see the code in action as I create the websites and apps from scratch. And that really allows me to get my creative juices flowing and get my creative fix while I'm also being productive towards my end goals and the big picture, right? Like if I was just sitting there like reading stuff and learning theory and stuff, like I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. But there's constant projects like you're implementing everything that you're learning as you go, like the whole time, and that's like my favorite part about the boot camp. Like right now, I'm working on a React project, and technically, I've officially obtained the skills to be a front end software engineer. So I'm so proud of myself, woo, 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 for reaching this point. And I look forward to updating my resume as well as apply for entry level positions as soon as I finish this React project. Because I want to make sure I have React to put on there. So just put the React on there, and juice it up a little bit. But anyway, I just wanted to encourage you all if you're looking to change careers and go into tech or go to any type of boot camp through TripleTen or what have you. I just want to encourage you to remember that any type of transition is going to be difficult and it's going to come with challenges. But nothing great is accomplished in a day. Take your time, keep working towards your dreams and your goals, remembering that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb after at least 1,000 unsuccessful attempts, more than 1,000 unsuccessful attempts, okay? So never focus on your mistakes in life, but all the opportunities available to get it right. All right? Inbox me if you'd like to get started on your TripleTen journey or if you have any questions. If you do inbox me, I'll give you my promo code, okay? So you can get a special discount. And it's more than 10%. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who you think can benefit or use the encouragement pursuing their goals. All right? Peace, love, and light. Bye, guys.